Alright, so I brought my Mosin and got to the range. Shorter barrel, it's nowhere near as well made as the Springfield, and I've never shot this before, or this ammo, and I even put duct tape over my sights. I have like about a 12-inch target down 100 yards, so we'll see if I can get impacts on target. My spotter's only going to tell me if I hit or if I miss, not where I'm impacting. Here we go. Okay.
Hit.
What was that?
Hit.
From the second shot, really. With duct tape on my sights, inferior weapon with a shorter barrel. I got a hit like I never fired before in my life, not even in a practice section. Let's try it again.
Miss.
Alright, well.
Just to 3 o'clock.
Here we go. What was that?
Hit.
Alright. Don't be afraid to say it, kick a little louder.
Miss.
Alright. If I can get 2, 3 hits in a row, then we'll call it quits and, you know.
Hit.
What?
Hit.
Okay. There's 3 hits. Mike, do I need to keep going? Or bring this down a little bit? Did you see the duct tape on my sights? Another sight. I had 36 rounds there, and I got 3 hits in a row. There they all are. He didn't give me any adjustments. It can be done. Alright. Thanks, guys.